Hello, welcome to today's demonstration brought to you by CAD Talk. My name is Jeff Brickler, and I help customers accelerate and automate their engineering to PLM handoff. CAD Talk PLM, powered by artificial intelligence, works with all major CAD and PDM applications to transform the CAD and PDM data into the items and bills of material in Arena PLM. With the push of a button, CAD Talk PLM keeps CAD and PLM data on the same page with an 80% improvement in the engineering to PLM handoff. CAD Talk PLM eliminates duplicate data entry, increases data integrity and BOM accuracy, and shortens lead time to customers. Each time a new design is released or an existing design is revised, CAD Talk PLM transforms this data from Solidworks or any other CAD system to create new or update existing items and bills of material in Arena PLM. Further, it identifies the changes between the engineering data in CAD and PLM, so you know which information needs to be updated between the two systems, ensuring that everyone is working from the same up-to-date information. Today, I'm demonstrating CAD Talk PLM integration between Solidworks and Arena PLM. Let's get these systems talking. On the screen, I am showing a Solidworks design. In this presentation, I am showing how CAD Talk PLM creates and updates new and existing Arena items and bills of material. Upon loading the Solidworks file, CAD Talk PLM reads the bill of material, metadata, and all other associated data from Solidworks and transforms that information into fully indented bills of material in Arena PLM. To begin the workflow with CAD Talk PLM, I log into Arena in the CAD Talk application. Next, I press Load Solidworks File. As soon as I select the configuration, CAD Talk begins to process the file. During this time, CAD Talk extracts all the metadata attached to the design, and using intelligence, it translates that data into Arena items and bills of material. Once CAD Talk PLM has finished processing, it displays in the screen a fully indented bill of material. The software's intelligence differentiates between new, existing, and changed parts and displays these differences easily with its color coding. Red icons indicate that the part is new. Green icons indicate that the part is existing in the PLM, and we have not modified it, while yellow indicates that we have changed data. CAD Talk highlights in yellow any new or changed data points that will be updated upon save, while also tracking all changes. The interface provides a full BOM editor and auditing layer so you can review and update any data points before saving the bill of material. Once everything has been reviewed, then CAD Talk updates the system with the press of one button. Immediately, CAD Talk creates and updates every level of the bill of material. After everything is saved, the application shows us the completed BOM in green. Now that CAD Talk has finished, we can see the completed bill of material in Arena PLM. Not only did CAD Talk create new Arena items, but it also updated every level of the bill of material without the need of going into Arena PLM. Returning to the CAD Talk interface, let's review our flexible rules-based intelligence engine that allows the solution to be configured for every customer worldwide without the need for costly customizations. In the Intelligence Builder, CAD Talk experts and customers alike have configured the product to handle the complexities of the integration. CAD Talk's configurability and flexible architecture allows for easy upgrades so that you are always in sync with the latest versions of CAD and Arena. As you can see here, a simple rule synchronizes the data between Solidworks and Arena PLM. We have now reached the end of the demonstration of the CAD Talk PLM integration with Solidworks and Arena PLM. In this demonstration, we saw how CAD-Talk PLM created new items and bills of material directly from SolidWorks in Arena PLM. Implementing CAD-Talk PLM integration to Arena boosts the manufacturing business by reducing expensive manual data entry, increasing labor efficiencies, shortcutting lead times to delivery, and bringing consistency and accuracy to the bill of material. CAD-Talk's rapid implementation reduces time to value from months and years to days and weeks. Every part of the business, from purchasing to engineering to the shop floor, enjoys delivery on time and budget. Thank you for watching. Please visit our YouTube channel to learn more about CAD-Talk. To schedule a one-on-one demo or discuss your current process with one of our experts, please head over to our website, https://cadtalk.com/demo, and schedule a time to meet with us. Thank you very much.